Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to share 2 delicious plant-based recipes that will help boost your immune system with the power of zinc and copper. These essential minerals work together in your body to keep your immune cells functioning at their best. Zinc plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system and maintaining its proper function. Here are a few ways in which zinc contributes to immunity. Antioxidant properties. Zinc has antioxidant effects, helping to reduce oxidative stress in the body. This stress can impair immune function, and by controlling it, zinc helps maintain the immune system's efficiency. Anti-inflammatory effects. Zinc can help regulate the production of inflammatory cytokines, reducing excessive inflammation that could harm the body's tissues and organs. Enzyme function. Zinc is involved in the activity of several enzymes that are necessary for immune cell function and the production of immune system components like antibodies. Wound healing. Zinc is vital for tissue repair and regeneration, which is particularly important when the body is fighting infections or recovering from injury. A deficiency in zinc can lead to a weakened immune response, making the body more susceptible to infections. On the other hand, maintaining an adequate level of zinc through diet, e.g., shellfish, meat, beans, nuts, and seeds or supplements, can help support immune health. Zinc and copper have an important relationship in the body, as they are both essential trace minerals that must be balanced to ensure proper physiological functions. Here's how they interact. Competitive absorption. Zinc and copper share similar absorption pathways in the intestines. High levels of zinc can interfere with the absorption of copper, leading to a potential copper deficiency. Conversely, excess copper can sometimes hinder zinc absorption. Balance in enzyme function. Both zinc and copper are cofactors in several enzymes in the body. For example, copper is involved in enzymes like cytochrome C oxidase, important for energy production, and superoxide dismutase, important for reducing oxidative stress. Zinc is involved in enzymes that help in protein synthesis, immune function, and wound healing. An imbalance in one of these metals can disrupt the function of these enzymes. Copper-zinc superoxide dismutase, QZNSOD. This is an enzyme that contains both zinc and copper. Immune system. Impact. Both minerals play a role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Zinc supports the immune system by promoting the development and activation of immune cells, while copper also plays a role in the activation of certain immune cells and the production of red blood cells. Deficiency effects. A zinc deficiency can lead to a copper imbalance and vice versa. Zinc deficiency might lead to symptoms of copper deficiency, such as anemia or weakened immune function, due to the impaired ability to metabolize copper. Similarly, excessive zinc intake could lead to copper deficiency, which might cause issues like low white blood cell count, poor wound healing, and problems with nerve function. Overall, while both zinc and copper are vital for health, maintaining the right balance between the two is important for optimizing their respective roles in the body. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got a zinc and copper packed lentil and quinoa salad. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup cooked lentils, 2 cup roasted pumpkin seeds, 2 cup chopped spinach, 4 cup sunflower seeds, 4 cup chopped red bell pepper, 4 cup chopped red onion, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh lemon juice for dressing. Start by combining the cooked quinoa, lentils, pumpkin seeds, spinach, red bell pepper, sunflower seeds, and red onion in a large mixing bowl. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, and fresh lemon juice to make your dressing. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss until everything is well combined. Serve chilled or at room temperature, and voila! You've got a nutrient-dense salad packed with zinc and copper. Next, let's cook up a copper and zinc-infused chickpea stir-fry with cashews. For this, you'll need 1 cup cooked chickpeas, 1 2-cup cashews, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 2-cup chopped carrots, 1 2-cup sliced mushrooms, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Optional. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Start by heating the sesame oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger and sauté until fragrant. Then throw in the mushrooms, carrots, and broccoli, cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. Add the cooked chickpeas and cashews to the pan, stir-frying for another 3 to 4 minutes. Pour in the soy sauce, rice vinegar, and chili flakes. Stir well to coat everything evenly. Cook for another 2 minutes and garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve hot and enjoy. These recipes not only taste amazing, but also help maintain a healthy balance of zinc and copper, essential for your immune system. So go ahead and give them a try. Remember, nourishing your body with the right nutrients is key to staying healthy. Let's sum up what we have learned. Zinc and copper are essential minerals that play crucial roles in maintaining our health. Zinc is vital for immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. It also supports normal growth and development during pregnancy, childhood, and adolescence. Copper, on the other hand, helps maintain healthy bones, blood vessels, nerves, and immune function. It also aids in iron absorption and works with iron to form red blood cells. Together, these minerals ensure that our immune system functions optimally, protecting us from infections and illnesses. By incorporating foods rich in zinc and copper into your daily diet, you can support your overall health and well-being. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes that will help you make the most of these powerful nutrients. Remember, a balanced diet is key to a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health-boosting recipes. See you next time.